Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your financial advisor business. If you are a financial advisor, then manually sharing investment tips and updating portfolios can be a very overwhelming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for financial advisor business, and before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I've sent a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Apex Financial Advisory. Secure your future with expert guidance. Please choose an option," and it has provided us 3 options, of which I'm going to select the first one that says book consultation. And it responds me with, "Let's schedule your financial consultation. Please share preferred date." So here I'm going to send my preferred date like this. Now it is asking for consultation type. So here I'm going to send my consultation type like this. And it responds us with, "We have received your details as this given date and this given consultation type. We will confirm your appointment shortly." Next, I'm going to click on investment tips, and our chatbot responds us with all the investment tips of the week. Lastly, I'm going to choose the option that says portfolio update. And our chatbot responds us with, "Kindly tap on the link below," and it has provided us a clickable link towards the portfolio update. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for financial advisory business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it to WhatsApp chatbot for your financial advisor business. On the screen, there is a flows chart feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex, and regex is short term used for regular expression, which is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, you have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Now here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Next, I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Like this. Our text will appear like this to the user, and here I've added little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Now, we have to curate a response for each one. So let's begin with book consultation, and for that I'm going to access the text button, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box, and here I'm going to take consultation details. Like this, and here I'm asking for preferred date. So in the contact custom field, I'm going to select date, and as format, I'm going to select any. If you want to know how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Then link the question box corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to access another question box, and here I'm going to take more details like this. Consultation types such as retirement, tax planning or mutual funds. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. And lastly, I'm going to create a confirmation message with the help of text button like this, and our text will appear like this to the user. Here I've added $date and $add because these two are our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual date and details sent by the user. Next, we are going to curate a response for investment tips, and for this I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the investment tips. Like this, our text will appear like this to the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for portfolio update, for which I'm going to access the text button again, and here I'm going to add this, and here I've added this clickable link for the portfolio update. And this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for financial advisor business. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure. And once you have created your flow, you can save it from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.